welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we look at this question coming from the ECZ paper 2017 GCE paper 2, and it was question 4B. So this one is on the volume of a frustum, and the question read, the figure below is a frustum of a cone. The base diameter and top diameter are 42 centimeters and 14 centimeters respectively, while the height is 20 centimeters. Take pi as 3.142. So that's the frustum. And then the question says calculate its volume. So calculating the volume of a frustum. Now, a frustum is simply that part of the cone. If say you cut a certain part, and then the remaining part is a cone, is a frustum. Examples of frustums could be buckets, cups, and all that, those that are in this shape. So to calculate the volume of this frustum, we'll imagine if at all this was completed. So when we complete this one, that is when we say this one goes on all the way like that, this one goes on, such that it can be completed into a cone like that. So if we imagine something like this, then next we'll say we'll calculate the volume of the whole cone up to there, and then we'll come and calculate the volume of this small cone, then subtract. So when we remove this smaller cone from the whole cone, we remain with just this frustum. So basically that's what we are going to do. And so before we do that, we take advantage of similar triangles to come and to try and come up with the height for the small cone. So what we'll do is this. There's this arrangement whereby the base, which is 42, I can put it here, 42, and then we have 14 here. Then the height of the frustum, we are told it is 20. So we have 20 as height, which could be from here up to there, 20 centimeters. Now we'll be required to find the height of this part, which let me just put small letter h. And so to find h, we use similar triangles. The knowledge we have about similar triangles, we'll just say h over this distance over this one. So on similar triangles, this distance corresponds to from here up to there. So that would be h plus 20. So h plus 20 is equal to, here we have this side which corresponds with that side, and it gives us 14 over 42. So we just solve for h, cross multiply, we'll have h times 42 is 42, h, and then here we have 14, h plus 20, then we have 42, h is equal to, there, that's 14h, plus 14 times 20, that gives us 280. So we have 42h, this one here will be negative, minus 14h equals 280, and then 42 minus 14 gives us 28h, which is simply equal to 280. If we say over 28 over 28, h is simply equal to 10. So meaning the height from here to there, which is from here to there, that's addition that we've put there, it will be 10. Meaning the larger cone, which is capital letter, we'll denote it by capital letter H, it's simply equal to H plus 20. And so H is 10 plus 20, it gives us 30. So we have 30 centimeters. Now using that one, the volume of a frustum, I said it will be given by the volume of a larger cone minus the volume of a smaller cone. And the formula for volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. So we have for a larger one and for a smaller one. 1/3 and pi will be common. Then what will be different will be the r for the larger one and the h. Those will be different with the smaller one. So we just have a formula in this form. 1/3 pi, open brackets, for the larger one, r squared h, minus for the smaller one, r squared h. So if we put the values here, pi is 3.142, the capital R, the radius. This one is diameter. So it's from here up to the mid, which is just half of 42, and that is 21, the square. And then capital H is 30, minus the smaller radius, diameter is 14, divide by 2 to get radius, that is 7, the square, and then times the height, which is 10. So let's just evaluate this one. 3.142, and then 21 squared is 441. So 441 times 30 minus, that's 49, times 10. So this one gives us 1/3 times 3.142, and then there in the brackets, 441 times 30, it gives us the 13,230, minus there it's 490. So this goes all the way to that one minus 490 gives us 12,740. So 12,740, we just multiply by 3.142, and then we divide. So 12,740 times pi, 3.142, and then divide it by 3. It gives us 13,343.0267. So volume of a frustum to 3 significant figures is 13,300 cubic centimeters. So that is the answer. Thank you for watching.